babies? It's your girl Rose Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell your partners and them because we litty over here. Y'all, without further ado, you might hear the fans in the back. It's hot. But I'm here to announce the winner of the jury. And yeah, we lit. So I'm going to announce the winners. Y'all know there's no losers over here. Definitely be on the lookout for things in the future because y'all know how we rock with giveaways. But yes, if I mention your name, please just make sure you send me an email to my email address is either in the link or I'm going to put it somewhere on this video. And make sure you send me your name and also your mailing address. So here we go. So our first winner, and y'all remember it's jury, everything is just going to be, you know, divvied up. Okay, there we go. Our first winner is Angela Hemingway 9916. Burn, burn, burn. Congratulations, family member. You are a winner. Our next winner is Florisha Jerry 9656. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but you're a winner, chicken dinner. And then we got one more, and we have Rosalind D. Green 3397. What's happening? What's up? What's up? So yes, congratulations to the two family members. Lead with it, rock with it. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Remember, hopefully if you can send me your stuff by Wednesday, I can ship it off by Wednesday. So yeah, fingers crossed. But yeah, congratulations to all three of the winners. Family members, shout out our family members because y'all know we don't do no what? We don't do no hating over here. And definitely be looking out in the future for some future giveaways because y'all know we coming up on our anniversary. Hey. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.